Welcome to the module on credit worthiness. By the end of this topic, you'll be able to understand what a credit score is, identify the factors affecting credit, know eligibility for a credit score, identify institutions which assign credit score. Sheena, who runs a local food stall, is talking with her neighbor Ria about credit worthiness.
Ria, on what criteria do lenders lend money?
Good question. It's all about something called creditworthiness. This helps lenders decide if someone is reliable enough to get a loan. Let me explain. Creditworthiness is like a score that tells people how trustworthy you are with money. It's all about how well you handle your finances and pay back money you borrow. If you have good creditworthiness, it means you're good at managing your money and paying back what you owe. It's like having a good reputation for being responsible with your finances. For example, CIBIL individual credit scores range from 300 to 900, where 300 is the worst or most risky and 900 is the best or least risky. Banks usually consider anyone with a score of around 700 or above to be a good borrower. Creditworthiness is crucial because it opens doors to financial opportunities. Here's why it matters. Borrowing power. Good creditworthiness gives you the power to borrow money when you need it, like getting a loan for a car or a house. Low interest rates. A high credit score often means lower interest rates. This can save you money when you borrow because you pay less in interest. Financial trust. Lenders and financial institutions trust you more with good credit. It's like having a good reputation in the financial world. Access to credit cards. Having good creditworthiness makes it easier to get approved for credit cards, allowing you to manage your expenses. Several things influence your creditworthiness. Here are the key factors. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, new multiple credits, outstanding debts, payment history. Paying bills on time is a big plus. Late payments can hurt your credit. Credit utilization. Using too much of your available credit can lower your score. Aim to use a reasonable amount. Length of credit history. The longer you've had credit, the better it looks. It shows you have experience managing it. Types of credit. Having a mix of credit, like credit cards and loans, can be good for your score. New multiple credits. Opening several new accounts in a short time can be seen as risky. Outstanding debts. Having outstanding debts can lower your credit score. Work on paying down existing debts. Understanding these factors helps you manage your credit wisely and maintain a good credit score. Almost anyone who uses credit is eligible for a credit score. This includes adults with credit history. If you're an adult and have used credit, you likely have a credit score. Credit card users. If you have a credit card, you probably have a credit score. Loan borrowers. If you've taken out a loan, your credit activities contribute to your score. Even paying regular bills, like utilities using your credit card, can impact your credit score. Credit scores are provided by credit information companies licensed by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. There are 4 major credit bureaus in India that manage all of the credit data of the country and provide industry credit scores that all financial institutions use to decide who to lend to loans. These include CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau India Limited, Experian Credit Information Services, Equifax Credit Information Services, CRIF High Mark Credit Information Services. Of these four, CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau India Limited, is the most popular bureau in India. These credit bureaus collect and assess your credit-related data to generate your credit score. The score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness and plays a crucial role in financial decisions like loan approvals. Checking your credit score is easy, and you can do it through credit bureaus. Contact major credit bureaus like CIBIL, Experian, Equifax, or CRIF High Mark directly. They often provide one free credit report per year. Bank or financial institutions. Some banks and financial institutions provide credit score information through online banking portals or mobile apps. A word of caution. Several online platforms and apps also offer free credit score checks. These are risky to use as there are a lot of fraudulent apps. Ensure that you use reliable credit bureaus for accurate information.
Thank you, Ria. But I have never used a credit card or taken a loan in my name.
In your case, you will start off having a zero CIBIL score. Banks will check your ability to pay back before giving you any loan. You may get a small loan to begin with. As you learn to manage and repay smaller loans, you will be eligible for larger amounts.
Thank you.